This is the final video to solve GRUB GNU boot error and broken bootloader on Linux. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve GRUB GNU boot error and broken bootloader on Linux, and I'm going to share them with you. The first method involves using a live USB environment to access the GRUB rescue prompt. This works because it allows us to boot into a functional Linux system separate from the corrupted one, giving us the tools to repair the bootloader configuration files and reinstall GRUB without the broken system interfering. The second method focuses on repairing the GRUB configuration files directly from a root environment. This is effective because it targets the specific files that tell GRUB how to load the operating system, and by correcting them, we instruct GRUB on the correct path to the kernel and initted images, resolving the boot sequence. Method 3 utilizes the boot repair utility. This is a powerful graphical tool that automates the complex process of fixing bootloader issues. It scans your system, identifies the GRUB problem, and applies pre-defined solutions, making it highly effective for users who prefer a less hands-on approach and want a comprehensive fix. The fourth method involves manually reinstalling GRUB from the command line using specific commands. This method provides the most granular control and works by overwriting the existing corrupted GRUB installation with a fresh, correctly configured one, ensuring all necessary boot files are properly placed and recognized by the system's firmware